Look at a modern hospital, a hyperscale data center, or a high-tech manufacturing plant. These facilities operate in a reality of absolute zero downtime. Every single second of operation is mission critical. Yet, behind the scenes, the operations keeping the lights on are often surprisingly fragile. Maintenance schedules live in spreadsheets, tickets get trapped in separate software, spare parts tracked on physical clipboards. When systems can't communicate, data gets jammed up. A simple service request requires manual triage. Maintenance teams wait blindly for handoffs, and highly skilled technicians are left standing idle while someone hunts down a work order history. The result is stalled frontline execution, and instead of scaling the business, leadership is forced to spend their time managing reactive operational fires. To stop the operational bleeding, organizations have to step away from patching together siloed tools. They need a single cohesive digital environment. That is the exact role of InfinityCore. It is an AI-enabled unified service desk designed specifically to connect every distinct layer of facility operations. By bringing service requests, asset history, and inventory management onto one platform, InfinityCore connects these previously isolated steps into a single frictionless chain reaction. Let's trace how that chain reaction actually works on the ground. It usually starts with a spark, a sudden service event hitting the help desk. Whether that request comes through an app, a web portal, or an email, the omni-channel intake captures it instantly. Nobody has to manually retype the request. Instead of sitting in a general inbox for human triage, the AI evaluates the ticket and routes it straight to the technician's queue. The exact moment it lands, the system attaches a service-level agreement timer, ticking down to ensure contract compliance. Think about the hours lost to phone tag, radio calls, or paperwork shuffling between departments. InfinityCore eliminates those manual middle steps. By cutting the dead time between reporting a problem and starting the repair, organizations can reduce their mean time to resolution by up to 45%. Efficient facilities shift focus away from constant troubleshooting and toward failures that haven't happened yet. This requires a transition from reactive fixes to a rigorous, scheduled maintenance model. For these scheduled workflows, InfinityCore automatically generates work orders for preventive planned maintenance and annual contracts. The software drives the scheduling engine, requiring zero human prompting. On the ground, the technician opens their mobile device to a clean, familiar interface. A guided checklist appears, with no confusing IT jargon to decode. Giving the frontline a consumer-grade, role-specific tool removes the operational friction. It ensures almost immediate adoption and guarantees the task is executed smoothly, and the chain reaction continues right into the back office. Every physical work order is tied directly to the store inventory module. The exact second a technician logs that they've used a spare part to complete a repair, the platform deducts that item from the master inventory list. When those stock levels dip below a preset threshold, the system immediately fires an automated reorder alert directly to the vendor. Linking live inventory data directly to the physical actions of the maintenance team eliminates material wastage. It clears up blind spots and stops expensive procurement emergencies before they happen. While the ground team executes these micro-level tasks, that data flows upward to create a macro view for leadership. All of those individual tickets, scheduled maintenance workflows, and inventory scans aggregate instantly in the Command Center Intelligence module. This dashboard is the heartbeat of your operation. Monitor real-time activity and SLA compliance in the top charts, while maintaining oversight on the 17 critical work orders below. Feeding the AI this accurate data highlights long-term trends, revealing opportunities to optimize maintenance costs. For executives, it replaces endless spreadsheet hunting and guesswork with clear, predictive intelligence. The platform delivers a dual advantage: a frictionless, jargon-free tool for the team turning the wrenches, and total analytical foresight for the team driving the strategy. InfinityCore digitizes these complex moving parts and reorganizes them. It turns facilities management from a reactive operational expense into a scalable, high-margin business advantage.